Hi, I'm Duncan from Enphase, and I'm going to walk you through the location requirements for the installation of IQ batteries. Now, when you're designing and planning your installations, you'll need to think about the Australian standards and also follow accreditation authority guidelines. For battery installations, I will describe now for you the key points for your consideration. IQ batteries are IP55 rated, and these can be installed indoors and also outdoors. Enphase requires that these are installed in such a way that they avoid direct sunlight, and this is because the optimum temperature range is between 0 and 30 degrees Celsius. In fact, if you're installing in locations with extreme temperatures, you'll need to think about the ambient temperature range, as it always must be within -20 to +55 degrees Celsius. IQ batteries can be installed at any suitable location on a property, as each of the IQ batteries are wired to an AC circuit and connected directly back to an IQ system controller. They don't need to be immediately adjacent to each other. Now, for mounting position, you'll need a flat mounting surface, and the mounting location must be able to sustain the weight of the batteries of 76.5 kilograms. So check that the mounting structure is suitable for weight-bearing loads. And as per the standards, look out for any hazards and obstructions such as pipes, windows, doors, vents, other electrical equipment, gaswork, access ways, and so on. You'll also need to be aware of the requirements if you're installing on the outside of a habitable room, and also the surface type that you're installing onto. Refer back to AS/NZS 5139 for these specific references. For spacing, the minimum spacing around the IQ battery should always be at least a minimum of 150 millimeters. I recommend 150 millimeters to allow enough room for battery handles when you're lifting and mounting the IQ batteries. Now, if you're installing onto a habitable room, you'll also need to measure and locate additional spacing around IQ batteries to meet the applicable electrical installation standards. And if you're installing onto a garage, you'll also need additional protection barriers, for instance, bollards. Again, refer back to the standards for specific references for these requirements. And as a final point, electrical wiring rules require that there are at least 1000 millimeters of clearance directly in front of the IQ battery AC panel. This is so you can access the AC wiring compartment. And that covers my information session regarding the installation location requirements of the IQ batteries.